Hello, my loves. Guess who's back? It's me, you guys. Yes, I'm so happy to be back. I know it has been forever once again, but I've got a lot to talk to you guys about in this Draw With Me video. I'm going to update you guys and just speak my mind and everything. And this is just me setting up my drawing area here and getting it all together. I got my little light that I absolutely love. I'm going to make sure to tag all of the art tools that I'm using and supplies, like this cute little kawaii pencil and all of that, in the description below. So yeah, you guys, I'm just doing a fun little drawing from reference here, and I am going to be drawing in my style. So yeah, you guys, this is my first attempt, by the way, and you'll see that I had to erase a couple of times because, sometimes that's what you have to do, especially when you're just trying to warm up and get in the groove of things, especially if you haven't drawn in a minute. And I think it was a minute since I had drawn right here. It's so important to just warm up a little bit. Like, I would suggest using another paper that you're not trying to do your final drawing on, and just draw, like, even if you need to draw that reference on a different piece of paper, like a little bit of times before you actually draw on your final piece of paper, I would suggest that. But anyways, before I yap away, I just want to, let you guys know a little bit of what's been going on. So my last video was, last year? And I had only posted 2 videos that whole year. I know, you guys, but I realized that I had really become a little bit of a perfectionist. And me, I'm talking about how perfectionism is not what we want as artists. We don't want to be perfectionists. We want to just do the best that we can. And as we continue to practice, we will get better. And that's literally like what I preach, and I need to practice what I preach more. So, this is something that I'm still continually working on, as, this is something that you have to work on every day. It's a process. But, yeah, I felt like I had held myself to like a high standard of like what kind of videos to post. And this is the first attempt that I erased it, by the way. And this is my second attempt that I'm doing here. But yeah, I just felt like I held myself to like a really high standard, like, oh, it has to be a certain way, or it has to be a certain topic, or it has to be like this, or, and I just kind of like got myself stuck because I just I was overthinking it. And then I was upset with myself because I'm just like, oh my gosh, I posted and then I disappeared again for like a month or 2. And I'm just like, oh no, I hope they're not mad at me. And so I was really beating myself up for just, not, posting regularly enough. And I was just really too hard on myself. And I really think that's really what stopped me from posting and being regularly posting. And this is my third attempt. By the way, this is the third and last attempt, and I was finally getting in the groove. I finally warmed up and I was feeling it. Sometimes you just have to try again a couple of times until you're really feeling it, and then you'll get into the groove. So yeah, you guys, don't get discouraged. And I'm glad I left these, retries in here so you guys can see that it's okay to restart. It's okay to try again. It's okay to erase and do it again. And just to show you guys that even an artist like me, who's been drawing for years, still has to erase, try again, and do it again. At first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. So and that's kind of like what I'm doing now, coming back to YouTube. I'm so happy to be back here because, you guys, I miss y'all so much. And I am truly so thankful for your support over the years. You guys don't even know how thankful I am for your support. You guys have truly been a godsend and a blessing to my life. And you guys really bring so much joy. And I thank you guys for just being here, and supporting me this long, even when I am infrequent with posting. And, I have been posting on my shorts a little bit, but I knew I wanted to come back to YouTube, and I've really been feeling it on my heart. And I know God has been calling me to come back here, because I know that YouTube has been a blessing for me. And, as this community that we've built, we've really just become a family here. And I know that this is something that is so important to me. And I just really, my mission is to spread love and joy and encouragement. And that brings me back to the topic of, me just really realizing that, sometimes it's always just about showing up, and it's not about having the best piece of content, because I really think that's what can stump us a lot, is like, oh, like, you know, it has to look like this or it has to look like that, or else I don't really feel comfortable with posting it and stuff like that, right? And I realized that was a big factor in what was keeping me from posting. And, you know, there's a lot of things I could have said about this video to make me not want to post it. And for example, like, I could have been like, oh, well, I've already posted it on Instagram and, you know, they probably have already seen it there. And I'm like, no, that's not true, because YouTube is a whole nother audience. There's so many people on here who don't even know I even drew this. And, you know, maybe I could have been like, oh, well, the quality wasn't that good. Like, maybe I shouldn't post it and stuff like that. Like, there's so many little different things I could have done to talk myself out of posting this. But, you know, I started to realize, like, I have to really, you know, go back to what I said in my message about perfectionism. Like, you know, sometimes we just have to, you know, continue to practice and do what we love to do, even if it's not to our perfectionist liking, and just trust in God that as we continue to use the talents He's given us, that we will get better over time, that we will continually grow, and God will bless us with even better content. You know, you just have to keep doing it. And I know that is really how it works. And, you know, that's how I started out. Literally, I started on YouTube, guys, in my bedroom at my mom's house. And I literally got duct tape, a selfie stick. I put it in my drawer. And that was how I recorded my YouTube videos. Literally, no excuse. I didn't have to have the perfect tools and materials and equipment to make my YouTube videos. I just knew that I loved what I did. I loved to draw, and I wanted to share it with the world, because that's what God was calling me to do. And so I hope that can encourage you. Like, you don't need to have the perfect equipment. You don't need to have the perfect tools, because guess what? As long as you show up and share what God has called and given you to do, He will bless you. Then you will see over time, as you continue to grow, that you acquire the equipment that you need. You acquire the tools that you need, and you just have to start somewhere. So, you know, I know that my purpose is to encourage and inspire and to bring joy. And I know that in order for me to do that, I don't have to have the perfect content. I just have to show up and use my voice and share with you guys a great word, you know. And I really hope that this could inspire you guys and help you guys, because I knew that, like, when I was thinking about coming back to YouTube, I'm like, man, what am I gonna do? Like, oh, I gotta do this, it's gotta be big, it's gotta be grand. No, it doesn't have to be. It could be simple as just me drawing a little bit and talking. You know, it doesn't have to be, you know, this strenuous piece of, you know, crazy edits and all types of cool things. Like, you know, and to be honest with you guys, I'm not an editor. I do not like to edit, if I'm being honest. But this is something that I know I am, you know, praying about. I'm like, God, just help me to, like, love it. Sometimes you have to ask God to help you to love the things that you like to do the least. And you'll notice that you'll start to, you know, want to do those things, you know, and, you know, actually take your time with it. And I felt like, you know, I was able to just really take my time and just, like, do my best with editing this video and just really trusting God with the process. So really, that's really my point, is just doing it, just going out there and doing it. Don't overthink it, and enjoy the process. And over time, you will get better. That is without a doubt, because as we sow the seeds of sharing our talent, showing up, you know, practicing our art or whatever it is that God has called you to do, you are going to get better. It's inevitable for you not to get better. Like, even if you can put in just 10 minutes a day or 5 minutes a day to draw or practice or do something that God is calling you to do, you will notice and see a difference. And I promise you, it will bless you. So just continue to trust in the Lord and lean not on your own understanding, and that's what I do. And every day I just pray and ask God to give me the strength to do what He's called me to do, to not overthink it, because that's something that I've had to work on, is like killing the overthinking, because overthinking can really stop us from being our best selves. So, you know, it's a process, but I'm so thankful that God has really, you know, taken me to the next level of mental clarity in this and just really understanding what I need to do. Because honestly, we'll never know what works unless we try it. So, you know, I hope that, like, this could inspire you to just try and to create and to draw and to not let overthinking get in the way of it. And I really hope to continue posting more on this channel. I told myself I'm really going to give myself at least one video per month at least. That's better than only 2 videos per year. So I'm gonna try and stick with that schedule of like a video a month and start out with that, because I think that would be a good start, since I have so many other things that I'm doing. But I think that would be a great place to start. I just know that I definitely want to show up here more and bless you guys with some videos, because I know you guys have been wanting me to come back here, and I'm glad that I'm here and sharing with you guys my drawings, because it's so fun to just draw pretty things, pretty girls. I have so much joy in drawing pretty girls, you guys, and I love it, and it's so much fun for me. And I cannot wait to create more videos and content on here with you guys, for you guys. So let me know down in the comments below, what would you guys like to see me create for you guys? I want to know your YouTube video ideas for me. What do you want to see Christina Lorre create? And y'all, I'm just so happy to be back. I missed you guys so much. And I know that we're going to talk about so many more fun things and have lots of fun on this channel. And I just cannot wait to continue to grow the Rawsueshii Christina Lorre family. So make sure to share this video, like, subscribe, comment, and you guys continue to enjoy the rest of the video. And once again, I hope that this blessed you, encouraged you, inspired you, and brought you joy. And I can't wait to see you guys on my next video. So I will see you guys next time. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves.